Start recording. Okay, so I have a little bit more time. One of my students cancelled, which is great. So, yeah, something happened. Alright, so I don't know what we could choose here. I would say we do it again. Let's let it fire up. So this is Bryan Lunduke's Linux. He says it's a monarchy, which means it's still below or under my control. Alright, let's see what he did. So, okay. It's based on Devuan, that's what he said. Refractor installer, I have to see how that goes. But, I mean, he didn't make the fatal mistake like putting the panel on the bottom. That would have been disastrous, right? So I shut it down, because I want to see, there were so many options to choose from. I said, okay. Alright, let's see. Oh dear me. So I have to go back in here. I think I shut it down, right? So virtual CD-ROM. They kicked it out, of course. Where is it? LCOS it's called, right? So I'll put that link in the description here. So apply, you want to see. Fire. Reboot. I don't know if it's doing it. And shut down. You know what? Force off. It's bit resilient. Well, let's see. It's still here. Okay, we can work with it now. So let's see. We fire it up. We go here. And we go here. And then we go. What is it? No beautiful. Oh, okay. That is when you do one time something not right. Oh, look, you have to go force off. And then we go in here, open here, and boot options. You see virtual disk 1, but we need the CD-ROM to be on top, like that. So that changes, yeah, after the first boot. I mean, it makes sense because you want to have it usually running nicely. Alright. Full screen. So let's choose something. Other language, Lunduke computer operating system. What is D? What is F? What is L? I don't know. Okay, let's go with it D on top. Well, that has to do here because it's running in a virtual machine, right? On a normal screen, I would guess you can see it all. Here it fires up because it's based on Devuan, which is great. That means no systemd. And he put Xlibre in no Xorg buggy rubbish politician nonsense. So, which is great, right? Absolutely great. What is that? Brave Origin. Yeah, he talked about it. Cool retro use the command line. Okay. That's Abi word. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you see, I'm the right clicker now. This is, of course, terrible for me. When you're used to OpenBox, ISWM, JWM, and Fluxbox system. I want to see HTOP here. Doink. I give it only 4 GB. 408. Well, not bad, isn't it? I mean, yeah, Devuan. No systemd, no bulk. Software. Let's see if we can. If you have Synaptic. Oh, we have to install it first. Yeah, let's install it first. Refractor installer. So I can't remember if I ever used it. This utility will install running live CD or blah 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 blah. Dean Linkus. Okay, yeah. So let's continue. Thank you, Dean, for this thing. Refractor UEFI BIOS installer. Why do we want UEFI? Use UID fstub, of course. Disable automatic logging to desktop, of course. Disable logging to consoles as winit only. Run pre-install scripts listed below. Run pop install script listed below. Encrypt the home partition. So you can encrypt it here. It's a pretty simple installer, but it definitely will do. I mean, isn't that the Devuan thing I had on Devuan 5? Yeah, no? I think it was. Create a separate boot partition. So so you can do whatever you want here. So, but we just press OK. We go with the default. Okay, so You know what? I don't want to have well. Okay, it's small enough. We'll leave it like that. It's written. Then we want to have so. Okay, it gives us a new partition. So we'll use extended for. It's not a bad thing, right? So I don't want to have UEFI. Let's see if we can install it without UEFI, because I do not want UEFI. Why would I want it? Okay, so this is done. So we can close it. I mean, it's done, right? Yeah. So we can close it. So we use that partition. Extended for. If it seems like the installer stopped, check the terminal, proceed with installation. Geographic area. Antarctica, yeah. Coming soon? No. Do we have Central? No, they don't let you have it, right? New York, no thank you. Center. We could use North Dakota, but... So I think they're going here by time zone. But do they have Chicago then? Toronto, Vancouver, Winnipeg would do everything what is central, right? You can take. Because who else lives, you have to live in central time. I'll just go next. Let's see if it has something. Yes, it took. So this installer is strange to me. I don't know why he chose that. He will have his reasons. No compose key. So we'll see if it's doable, right? Oh, proceed anyway. Do not close this window until the installation is finished. Proceed. Configure enable lib party generate enable online resize lib. I would say yes. I mean, default says no. I don't know. This is maybe because it's overwriting everything. Okay. It's doing something. So I think I saw that installer before, but that's a long time ago, right? So I don't remember things like that. So, because I keep my head fresh as usual. And oh, by the way, when you guys see videos of mine where I go and I lost my track, that is when I had the video to redo it 4 times. It's pretty good because I don't do scripts and stuff when I fire things up. When things go wrong, then I'm absolutely mad because and let's say I shot my bullets and then yeah, because I have no script, I'm not repeating this thing, I just say what's in my head, right? So let's see how this works here. And then Lunduke, he put a video out about GhostBSD 26.1. I said, oh yeah, that new one, let's see if they fix things. It's the same. It's the same I had, so nothing really has changed. It's 15.0p2 or whatever that is. So I was so looking forward that GhostBSD is fixing their stuff, that you can actually install it on all kind of computers. Doesn't have to be the latest, of course, because my stuff is old. But all this has a huge advantage nowadays. I mean, yeah, so far as I see, this theme is Devuan, of course, purely. And yeah, he put Abi word here. This is not a bad thing. It's the same with oh, what is it called there? That Excel sheet. Oh dear me. These are the old ones which you always had. You had Abi word and not calculate or something. Is it calculate? Something like that. Let's see if it is here. Yeah, yo, you know what? Office. No, he didn't install it. So I don't really need retro, I just need normal. The good thing is, so yes, he wants to protect, I mean, I don't think Devuan will ever deviate from their course, but he wants to keep sure that we don't get Rust rewrite nonsense and getting everything destroyed, which is very nice because that means we have at least an operating system which will be unaffected from insanity, right? Because there's no logical explanation to do this except you want to destroy stuff, then it makes total sense. Anything else does not, right? So messages. Let's see. Yeah, I was really keen trying it out. His operating system, and yeah. So I would have just called it. I mean, he had a few points. Of course, he has to make it a little bit funny too. I would have just said an operating system from humans to humans. Finished. Because everybody who tries to put politics in Linux or BSD, that's an oxymoron. There is no such thing in either of these operating systems. Let's see, what did it do? Copy files, copy grub, change root. I don't want to change root here. Continue will proceed whether or not you will have installed bootloader. If not, you will need to have change root will open xterm the controller installation for custom work. Copy files, grab package to target, and install a bootloader. Continue will proceed with or not. Abort will exit the install. So did it install it? I don't want to change root into it. Where's the root thing? Well, I say copy files, copy group packages to target, install, and okay, do I have to click it? No. Okay, so who can read has a huge advantage here because you really choose MBR to insert the MBR of any hard disk. Oh yes. That should do. This is the one. Click. Install the bootloader. Okay, so it seems to work. It's a little bit confusing because we're not used to this anymore. New host name, no specs. No, that is. I will leave it as is. New user. New host name. Okay, user is of course me. My real name is of course this. Permit sudo for new user and keep root account. Yes. Use sudo as default for new user and disable root account. No. Use sudo only for shutdown. Keep no. I mean, we want to try things out. Enter root password. Confirm new root. What does that mean? You should reset the root password and use tab to change fields. Enter new root password, confirm new root password. Is that the user? You should reset the user password. Okay, I don't know. I mean, let's see how many circles I got to take. You may now reboot into the new system. Remember to remove the installation. I remember. Don't forget to remove the. What is a word I didn't want to forget? Okay. Now should be hidden here. Restart. Let's see. Now it should be really firing up because it. Oh yeah. That's a live media again, right? Yeah. Well done, Dirk. Good job. I thought it kicks it out, but not if you manually change it, I guess. So, alright then. What's it doing? It changed something. Yeah. Shut it down. But look how small my mouse cursor is. So it seems to be randomly doing things. So we go in here. SATA CD-ROM. I'll just remove the whole thing. Delete. Apply. I don't have to apply it. I go here. Full screen. Ah, yes, a GNU thingy there. Not a fan of it, but that symbol, right? Username. Yes, I have one. Let's see. Settings. Display. You got to do it. 9. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Doink. Alright, that seems to work. It seems to be very bare bone, which is okay with me, because you can then choose yourself what you want. HDAR 438. That's pretty neat, no, for an XFCE. But you see, it's a little bit sluggish, but because there are no QEMU drivers. We should have a look if we can install it, no? Let's see. I mean, yeah, makes life difficult. Synaptic is installed, that is good. Oh. I didn't do it, and you can't prove it. Authenticate. Your age verification, you have one broken package in your system. Group PC, okay. Don't know what that's going to do. I wonder if I still can boot after that. What's what I wanted? QEMU. Is it? How do you spell this actually? QM. Xlibre video QXR. QEMU, right? Like this, isn't it? Oh dear me, I don't even, oh dear, my brain is frozen. QEMU. You know what? In worst cases, I will find it. You need to know how to help yourself. Maybe I don't find it because it's not here. It's all installed, everything. Oh. Ach, look. Can I edit it? No, no. Two big fingers. Nope. This is all the installed stuff. Oh. Yeah, I thought it would have done it when I had fixed the broken thingy. Yeah, now it makes sense, right? Group, QEMU. Yeah, now it makes sense. Yeah, I will try Devuan QEMU. Guest agent. QEMU is a fast blah blah. This package provides a daemon agent to run inside QEMU system. Okay. See what it's going to do. I hope it will make it run a little bit smoother. It's like the add-ons from VirtualBox, right? I guess. Let's see if there's another thing. System emulation binaries. This emitter package provides a full system emulation binary for all supported targets by depending on all the emulation package with QEMU supports. I don't know. Dang, nice picture. So I think we should be alright here, shouldn't we? Okay. What we got to do now is we boot again. Reboot. .12. Ooh, that's already Rust. But well. Oh. Tiny mouse cursor. Dong, 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 dong. See, I'm missing this menu here so much. Okay, H-stop. Yeah, almost the same size, right? Still a little bit sluggish, but it's. I mean, yeah, I have tons of 2 browsers open and things, so I don't know. Oh, I don't know if ISOs still exist. I'll try again. Okay. So the usual thing, which is normal, I think, in a VirtualBox at least, or in a virtual machine. Alright, the sluggishness, that is because it's virtualized, right? So new PC, AIO backup, click. The browser. At least that's the browser, it's in black. Yeah, I mean, yes, you should be doing it, but that's a virtual machine. Oh, look at this. Yeah, the thing is, if you want to be in a forum, you have to be a member. So as I'm usually broke, this is not for me. But also not swearing, doing all these things. Show home the bottom, the title bars, yes we do. So this looks okay-ish. So there are lots of things you have to go in. Privacy, security. You school says, whoa, better not. Delete browser, security, safety, blah blah blah. Data collection is off, that is good. Safety check, we don't need it yet. Search engine, Brave. Somewhere had in Brave they had search engine Google. Yeah, my heart stood still, but only for 1 hour. And then I could breathe again. So no. Then I have to go back in. I think that password is done. But then we still have these things. So they should all be off, to be honest. You don't want your browser to know all these things. So I think that is that for now, and where is it? Okay, looks better now. Now we can work with it. He has his own website here. Yeah, it's a bit sluggish. I don't know why, so I can't tell. Because I've got LilyDoc here, and I use it as my channel upload, do on YouTube thing, on the same machine in Word Manager, like here. And so that is not doing anything. That is it's running fine on the same 4 GB RAM and 4 cores, not really 4 CPUs. Computer. Okay, time. Let's hope he did that right. Yeah, I think he has the right time, so that's good. So we can live with that. Alrighty. What else do we have? There's not much installed, no? It's a basic install, which is okay. Mousepad, definitely good enough. Was that for image viewer, internet, Brave Origin, multimedia, VLC? So AviWord, system. Alright. Yes. So it's a basic install, and I would say it will do. Do we have something like system info? No. Yeah, I will not run this neo fetch thing because these colors insult my eyes. I just can't have it. Advanced, blah blah blah, color, default claim, power manager, print session, blah blah blah, text volume, control window. Okay. Alright, yeah, until now it looks like Devuan, but I think Devuan didn't put Xlibre in, no? Would be good if they would have done this. They have run it running, that is very, very nice. What is that here? Cool retro term. Uses command line to the old way. No. AviWord. Yeah. Okay, I would say it's worth a look, so you really have to do your own thing here. Install everything you want, right? Everything you need. I wonder if, I mean, it was a while when I tried to install Word Manager on my Devuan 6 installation on my laptop. They might have got this one buggy DNS mask thing sorted out. Then you can install Word Manager. That would be actually very, very, very nice. But I have to make one video that will take a moment. It's about, I'm not telling not yet. What's happening here? No shutting down? Oh, okay, it did. So yeah, it's a bit slow. See, what I mean is, I'm not mean. So here's Word Manager. Because it shut down the whole Word Manager. So this is my DZME Linux Word, and this is Trixie. Just look at the difference in speed. Oh. Yeah, so we push that one. It's the same, right? It's Debian based. I mean, Devuan is better than Debian in my opinion, by far. So see, that is the online, the logging. Boink. I mean, look, this is pretty fast. You have to admit it, right? I would say the delay is, it's not. Yeah, okay. I mean, this is open box, right? Maybe that makes a difference here compared to XFCE. Maybe they have already some XFCE which shouldn't be there, right? So I don't know. Here, that's the video I'm recording, and that's how I upload it, right? So I just go in here, go into Brave, fire up my YouTube channel, and then upload it and put my stuff in, and Lily Dog on a laptop. Yeah, it's an old video, but you see, it's pretty neat, isn't it? I mean, it seems to be faster, but it could be because it's open box. Oh, look, it goes down very quick, doink. So it's all good. Alright, let's shut off, everything is good. And they have the same amount of RAM and the same cores, and this is all there is. Alright, yeah. I might install it on my big virtualizer, so I can see if I can install Word Manager there, and I can use that video if it is successful. But you see, that's another thing. I'll make a video for which might not work. We'll see. I mean, we'll see. I will find something out. For now, I must say, yeah, it's Devuan with some super basic installation, which is okay to me, right? So here's a Word Manager. This is still Lily Dog, and I love it. I mean, see, I told you guys, if you dare to get something like IceWM, JWM, Fluxbox, or OpenBox, I mean, the thing is, OpenBox is finished, it's done, but they have the jack menu in, for example, which is very nice too. And even in FunOS, I figured out how to get the left-click menu out. So it was pretty simple once you know where it is. Once you have the right-click option, you will miss this so badly. I tell ya. Right? Yes, I'm a little bit lazy here with my icons. You can use it with and without icon. It's nice with icons. What they did here is very nice, I must say. So LilyDog, they really put some thoughts in it. You might think they just throw these things together. Oh no, I will make a video and you will see how great things could be and are. So I like people who make distros which are nice and great, and here you have the keyboard shortcuts. And it's not disturbing, it's pretty nice. And I like it more on the left than most people put it on the right. No, left is good. I think these things have to belong left, panel needs to be on the top. Well done all together. Yeah, and here's my dyno. So I do run around with XMPP and I'll watch tons of videos, and I have to play around, I have to get some friends to work with it, and then we create a group, the ZME Linux group, and that is for everything computer related, I think, and the signs of the time, what we're in it and what we're facing, and that those people who try to command you around are nothing else than people who try to steal your lunchbox. What are you going to do with these people? Yes, you're not giving your lunchbox. So this is entertainment purpose, right? Nobody would really do that. No, of course not. So this is it, guys. I called that video off. I just wanted to introduce this quickly. Let's give it another shot. I fired up one more time. LCOS it's called. And we go into open. And then we fire it up. Let's see what it does. So this was pretty quick. Doink. I don't like the symbol he put there. Everything what reminds me on the devil is not good for me. So this goes pretty fast, of course. That is Devuan, no systemd. My super secret password. The mouse cursor is a little bit micro here. No? I mean, yes, you can change it. Well, you see, it's a bit slower to fire up. I have no right click here. It's almost the same, no? It's a tiny bit different. A tiny bit different. But not by much. I mean, it's a virtual machine, right? So if you have it on a more powerful computer, you might not even know it. And I might have not installed it properly with the QEMU agent guest thing. Who knows? I don't know. Oh, he has hidden files on, of course. So yeah, and it installed fine. It was an old-fashioned installer, but if you leave everything on default and say on the end copy, then it will do it right, and then you're fine. So love it, not bad. Encryption was also an option. Yeah, you can encrypt your home thing. I think you could encrypt the whole drive. Whole drive is always better, in my opinion. You don't want to give them any data at all these data brokers, identity thieves, right? That's why we do this. Alright, so I call it off now. Let's see how this fires up. Doink. For quick access, place your bookmarks. Blah blah blah. So it is pretty busy. So I don't even know what the subscription costs, but I just can't afford all these things. And as I said, this channel is also it's a free channel. It's no advertisement. I don't want to have advertisement going on here, stealing your time. Just imagine you have a nice cup of coffee and see tons of people going to see the loo, the washroom, right? Who wants this? And the best thing is toilet paper. You have to advertisement for it? I thought it's normal. Well, what do I know? Alright, guys. So that was that. Yeah, I have to run it on a little bit more powerful system with patched through hardware, and then we can see how it really does, right? So Devuan based, I expect only great things. So then we will see if we can get Word Manager installed on this, and that would be great. Alright, yeah, I told you about the disaster I had with the Flatpak from OBS, no? OBS Studio. This was a nightmare. Yeah, and the vocal thing, you can't switch off the there are functions that you can click on something which you want to use for recording, but it just uses everything, so you don't have to click around it. It just does everything. I don't know if that's just eye candy or whatever it is. It's not working. So Simple Recorder does a good job, but I usually get only one audio source running, and OBS does still a pretty good job, except the flatback. Forget about the flatback for now. Somehow it's doing nonsense and it's not good. Right, I call that video off. I hope you like this one. Quick introduction from Lunduke's video. Right? Okay then. I hope he continues. I hope this is going to be good, because as he said, this is going to make a stand. We just can't give in, because I don't know, these bullies, who do they think they are to tell you what to do and what not to do? Just imagine this. You have a business, you have employees, and they tell you what you can and cannot do in your own business. Oh, well, this world, right? Okay, and 35 minutes. I cut it off now. See you later, guys. Have a great day. Stay away from propaganda. Enjoy your life. Have a cup of coffee. See friends. Walk your dog. Have a cat or a dog, and enjoy nature. It's a bit warm here, though, but it's still okay. Well, we're doing all good. See you later then. Bye-bye.